Welcome to Buildawebs, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can disable comments on posts, just like this one. So if we go down towards the bottom, you'll see this comment. I'll show you how you can remove this. We'll also show you how you can disable comments on reviews, just like this one here, and also on pages. So if you see this contact page here, this comment will be disabled. Another thing you can do is install a plugin which allows you to disable comments on all posts. This is good because you might have loads and loads of existing posts with comments on that you want to disable, but you actually have to go through all of them one by one and disable them. This plugin lets you on posts, pages, reviews, media, and all sorts of other things disable all of them, and then you could go back through and enable some that you want to show. So now let's see how you can disable comments on new posts. So if you go in your WordPress dashboard, and you go to post, then you click add new, and then just give it a title, and then hit publish, then click view post, and if we scroll down, there's a comment section where somebody could put a comment, so put whatever you want, then just choose post comment. So then you can see that the comment appears there, but if you want to disable it, you can go into the post. So if you click edit post at the top, and then you can choose this option which is under discussion, which you might need to open up, and you can untick allow comments, choose update, and then if you go to view post and you scroll down, you'll see that comments are closed, and then the comment's already there. If you want to see how to hide this comment, keep watching the video and you'll find out. If, for example, you want to disable all comments on new posts, you can do that by going to the WordPress dashboard and then going to settings and then discussion. And then see how there's this third tick box which says allow people to submit comments on new posts. If you untick that and you choose save changes, when you put a new post on, the box will always be unticked for allow comments, and there just won't be a comment section on that post. So that's how you do it. Now let's have a look how you can disable comments on existing posts. So if we go into posts, and let's have a look at this one here. So if we scroll to the bottom, there's a comment called example comment on this post. Let's show you how you can disable it. So if we take the link for this page and we put it in another browser, in another tab, sorry, and then let's go up to edit post on the original tab, and then you can choose this option where it says allow comments and choose update, and then you can view the post, and when you scroll down it'll say comments are closed, and if you look how it was before, the comment was there. Click refresh, comments are closed. Like I mentioned before, if you want to hide this comment here, you can do that by going into the WordPress dashboard, just by clicking the W there, go to comments, and then you can unapprove the comment. So then when we go back into the website and we go to news and then we click on the post, when we scroll down at the bottom you'll see how there's no comment section and there's no comment at all. Now let's show you how you can disable comments on reviews. So if we go up to the reviews section of the site, scroll down and click on one of the reviews, and then go down to the bottom and we'll see there's this a this comment here. Again, if you want to disable it, you can go to Edit Products Review and then scroll down to the bottom. Have a look at it, and then go down to the bottom here where it says Discussion, and then just untick Allow Comments and choose Update. And then when you view the product review, you go down. The comment's still there, but the comments are closed. I'll now show you how you can disable comments on pages. So if you remember from the start of the video, we had comments on the contact page. So if you go down at the bottom, there's a comment. You can do the same as we've done before, where you click Edit Page and then untick and then choose Update. You can see if you want comments disabled on various things, how annoying it can be by having to untick it. If, for example, you're looking to go back retrospectively and unticking this Allow Comments. Luckily, there's a plugin which you can use called Disable Comments, and I'll show you that next, where you can disable it on posts, pages, reviews, media, and all sorts of other things. So let's do that now. So if you go back into your WordPress dashboard, and then you go to Plugins, and then Add New. In the top right, search for Disable Comments. Just hit search. And then click Install Now. And then choose Activate. And then if you click here where it says visit the configuration page, you can then use this option. Well, you can use this option to disable comments globally, so it disables everything. Or you can be more specific where you disable posts, pages, media, landing pages, reviews. So let's open posts in a new tab. And let's get one of these posts open, for example. So this one was one we've already hidden. Let's go down to one below. So there's a comment there. So then what you can do is you can tick this here, and then when you go over there, it'll just completely disappear. So then if we go onto, for example, product reviews, and let's go and view this one, there should be a comment below. There it is. So then if we go back, you can choose product reviews and then save the changes. When you refresh this page, and when you're on the review. So it was, let's look at that one. See how the comments out there. And it works the same on pages. So if we were to open the contact page there, and we were to enable comments again, and choose Update, and just view the page. When you tick View Pages there, and choose Save Settings, and you have a look, there's the comment, but when you refresh, it disappears. And this works the same for media and landing pages, but you can quickly see how you can use these options to use them when you have existing posts, pages, media, landing pages or reviews that you don't want to have to go in, click Edit Page or Edit Post or Edit Review, and go down to the section called Discussion. It's actually hidden because we've got the plugin active now, but if we were to untick, for example, pages and then refresh, it then appears again. So you can see how it saves you a lot of time instead of clicking allow and all sorts of other things. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. If you haven't already, please give the video a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for future videos. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.